So let's take a look at Pillow. And the installation of Pillow is pretty easy. Um, if we click on Python packages at the bottom of this of our Pycharm window, you're going to type Pillow into the search box and click install. Just in case you forgot how to install, I'll show you where I go. Okay, so on mine, the Python packages down here at the bottom of the screen, and Pillow is what I would type, and I do a capital P. What you're going to see is that there are a whole bunch of ones that start with Pillow, and there's one that's just Pillow with a lowercase p. You want Pillow with a capital P. That's the one you want to install. Okay, so just make sure that you're installing that one. And when you check it, it'll be Python Imaging Library. And it should install pretty simply. It doesn't have a lot of dependencies. So once you install that, then you should be able to start looking at and manipulating images using Pillow.